This hands-on experiment is done by the Kendriya Vidyalaya Agasthyamuni and which is based on verification of Ohm's law. The statement of Ohm's law is that when we change the potential difference, or we can say when we increase the potential difference across a conductor, the corresponding current also increases. Therefore, V is directly proportional to the current passing through the conductor. Here a circuit is designed that is included the battery, a switch, a ammeter. We are using a conductor that is made up by the nichrome wire, and again we are using another conductor which is electric motor. You can easily see if we increase the voltage across this motor, the motor will start slowly and increase their velocity. It means the motor is consuming more power. Again there is a rheostat. In this circuit here rheostat is doing work as a potential divider. Now you can check how the Ohm's law verified. We are increasing the voltage. You can see on the voltmeter voltage is increasing. Yes. Now corresponding current, the reading of ammeter is also increasing. When we are increase, the reading of ammeter is also increases. Now you can check the motion of yes. Wait. Decrease the voltage. Yes. You can see the speed of motor is decreasing. When we decrease the potential difference across the motor, it means the less current is passing through the motor. If less current is passing through the motor, it consumes less power, it reduces its speed of rotations. This simple experiment shows that how we can done the verification of Ohm's law.